Back to the wildfires in California. For residents of the greater Los Angeles area, the past few days has been the stuff of nightmares. And joining us now is Francesca Ellana, a longtime resident of Los Angeles who really is right on the edge of these fires. Francesca, we are so sorry for all that you guys are going through out there. Talk to us about, where you live right now, how close you are to these wildfires, and what is the situation where you live?
Yeah, so right now I'm in Pasadena. I'm super close to Altadena. I'm literally outside right now. I was trying to give one of my friends a mask because the stores are running out of masks, like the pandemic kind of. But it's kind of scary because it's like you can really smell, of course, like the fires, and you see like so much like debris and trees and stuff. And literally, I'm like out of breath just from walking from like here to like half a mile to try to meet my friend. So the air quality, I would have to tell you, is just so bad.
Yeah, we
So
talked.
I would tell people to stay inside.
Yeah, we talked about that yesterday. All the smoke from the wildfires. It's really causing people to have a hard time breathing, especially those, I'm guessing, who have problems like, say, bronchitis or any kind of asthma issues. Have you ever experienced anything like this before, Francesca? I mean, how long have you been in the Los Angeles area?
Yeah, so I've been here for about 15 years now, and it seems like every year we're having fires. But in this particular area in Los Angeles, like so close to home, I've never seen it. I mean, driving by, you can see literally homes on fire the past couple of days, and homes are now like burnt to a crisp. Things are exploding that have gas. It's scary. It looks extremely scary. It's red and dark, and I've never seen anything like this since I've been here, especially so close.
I mean, we see those images. We had some pictures up right there, some video. It's hard for us to look at. I can't imagine being there in all of that. What's the mood like out there? I mean, how are people feeling?
Yeah, so today we're pretty much kind of just walking around and cleaning up stuff, cleaning up the debris. A lot of the trees fell down. There's a lot of trees and a lot of like leaves and just trash and stuff everywhere. So kind of still trying to clean up. In certain impacted areas, the police and the fire marshals are blocking everything off, so you can really only go so far, specifically where I'm at. But I think it's more so about right now a sense of community. I have friends who have lost their homes that have lived here like all their lives. And one of my friends told me, she's like, she knew her home was burning down, so she wanted to grab her photos with her family. That was like her most prized possession, and she got them. So it's really a sense of community. Everyone's just trying to get things back together, even though we're still on fire, like literally.
I know so many communities just gone, devastated. Talk to us quickly about how the communities are coming together, how neighbors are helping neighbors in this time of need.
Yeah, so like I said, they're out of masks, so I'm trying to donate those. A couple of my friends are buying food there's a lot of homeless people already here, and there's a lot more that you're seeing right now that are just like walking around the streets. So trying to make sure that they're okay. Providing resources about evacuation centers. I'm going to one right now in Pasadena. It's the Civic Center. So really just trying to see kind of what people need, especially those people who are just walking around displaced right now.
Yeah, well, we're praying for everyone out there. Francesca, thank you so much for speaking with us, and stay safe.
Thank you.